Alright guys, welcome back. So, we got the upper cowl done, got the outer cowls done. It's all in place. Check the fitment of the windshield, everything's spot on. So, we're going to move on to the firewall, which I already have, so we just need to start drilling all that out, cleaning it all up, and then we got my frame jig, which holds everything in factory pinpoints. So, with that being said, I will go ahead and start cutting that out, and I will start cleaning it all up, and I'll put you on time lapse, and that way you guys can see what I'm doing. So the only thing I did see was I want to try and take it loose inside right at the floor pan. That way when I put the other one up, I can see how close it is to the factory original, even though I am replacing the entire floor pan in the car. I want a complete rust-free, zero rust, everything repaired and replaced, Nova for my wife. So with that being said, spend the time, spend the money, do it right the first time. If you guys see anything that you think would be better or different that I should be doing, or how I should be doing it different, please let me know. I'm open to any suggestions and comments. So please stand by, and hope you get everything that you want to see with my videos. And like I said, if you want me to focus in on something or give you measurements on something, because I don't know it all, and I've done a few cars in my lifetime. But like I said, with that being said, I just like to have a really nice car. Alright, so please stand by and watch. If you enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe. I'm not getting paid for this by any stretch of the words, but hopefully I'm giving some content to people that enjoy what I'm doing, and they enjoy watching what I'm doing. Alrighty, well, hope you have a great evening and a great day, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Alright guys, well, here we go. I got most of the firewall out. Still got this side to take off, clean up, and give you an idea what I got going on here. I'll pull all this together here, weld it all before I put the firewall in. That way all this is nice and welded together. I'll clean all this up for the inner rocker. It's not in bad shape. Some surface rust on it. I got no rusted through spots on the inner rocker. And I'll clean the fender lower bracket. I'll get that all straightened up and cleaned up. Get all that done. And I'll clean off what's left of my trans tunnel. And I'm putting a full floor in it. So that way I can figure out the measurement on that. But my frame jig comes apart right there, and it mounts. Well, it's got two spots. It's got a centering pin here that centers it on the actual bolt, and then it has the actual flange that bolts into the center pin, which is what they use to measure it when they put these together. So it's all pinned in place, and Like I said, I got braces on the sides on the rockers. Keep the whole car stable and straight. And that's why I wanted to get the outer boxes on in the upper cowl, because that's my support brace for the whole front. And keep watching. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe. I'm just Harry homeowner here working on his wife's Nova. Alrighty, well, if you guys continue watching, we'll get back to it. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got the Firewall set up on here. It's all drilled, ready to be welded. Just wanted to point out a few things to you guys that are doing this. From the top of here on your cowl to the pad here, where your body mount bolts for your subframe, is 19 inches from the top to the bottom of this. So just to make sure you're square there. Also, from this front bolt hole to your floor pan bolt hole is 30.5 inches center to center. So you guys know that back and forth is correct. So when you go to mount your subframe, it's spot on, it's square, it's true, it's straight. I don't think there's much more to tell you. Just make sure when you drill these that you clamp inside here to pull that bracket to it, so you sandwich everything so you can get a nice weld on everything. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse and weld this thing in place and get things moving here. So hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, please like, subscribe. Next will be the floor pan, and then I'm not sure if I'm doing the outer cowl or rocker panels, or if I'm going to move to the back. I got to peel the roof skin off this and start on that. So, alrighty, well, so continue to watching. Hope you enjoy my content, and we'll see you down the road. Thank you. Alright guys, so we got the Firewall and welding in place. I got a few spots I got to do still, but I figured I'd conclude this, that way I could get it done and grind all this down nice and flush. Then I'll put some seam sealer on it, and we'll move on to the floorboard or floor pan from this point on, and then we'll put the dash back in it. Hopefully you guys enjoy everything that I'm doing. Like I said, it's 19 inches from here to the pad for the course, for the, yeah, 19 inches from the top pad to where your pad hits for your subframe. Also, it's 30.5 inches from the center of the bolt hole for your subframe in the front on the Firewall to the bolt hole for the back of the subframe. It's 30 1/2 inches center to center. So hopefully you guys enjoy everything you've learned on here or saw on here. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you know anybody else that might be interested in my channel, please feel free to push it along. Please share it. I don't do it for the money. Literally, I just do it for the enjoyment of it. Get me out of the house, get me away from the wife. This is her car. The quicker I get it done, the happier she is. We all know happy wife, happy life. So, and I always try to make my wife happy. So, hopefully you guys enjoy my content. If you'd like to see something different, please let me know. I try not to bore you guys with a bunch of what I'm doing, but show you and give you pointers on what I've learned through the years. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.